How to count how many times a word appears in Excel. Excel is a great tool for analyzing numerical and text data, and there may be situations where you need to count the number of times a word appears. For example, if you have a huge worksheet with sales transactions from cities all over the country, you may need to count the number of rows that have come from a particular city. To do that, you can count the rows that have that city name, and then you will know how many records have come from that city. So in that scenario, the column is likely to have only the city name, so it is easy to count just those rows that have the city name. There may also be situations where you have a lot more, you have paragraphs of data and you're looking for a particular word. You want to count how many rows or how many times those words appear. So we will look at both examples. Here I have a database of reviews. It has a city, it has the reviews title and the reviews text. There are totally 49 reviews. I want to see how many reviews have come from Chennai. Now for both scenarios, I use the same function, which is count if. Count if says that it will count only if the condition is met. So I will say equals count if. Now I specify the data range. I'm going to look for the city. Since there are 49 records, I will say from A2 to say A51. And I'm looking for the word Chennai. So I type the word Chennai in quotes because it's text, close brackets and say enter. So I can see that 10 reviews have come from Chennai. Now when I want to count the word great, I want to look in the review title. So again, I will say count if, specify the range, which is the, put a colon, and this also the range is 51. I've taken column B because that's the review title. And the criteria. Now let's see what happens if I just put great and press enter. It is showing me just one. Now the reason for this is there is only one cell in this column that contains only the word great. Now this is not what I want. I want all the cells that have the word great in them. So to do this, I need to amend this slightly. Before great, I put an asterisk, and even after great, another one. This tells the function that there could be some text before great and there could be some text after great, but you need to count those cells anyway. Now when I press enter, I see 19. So I know that out of the 49 reviews, 19, which is a little less than 50% of the reviews, contain the word great. So I'm assuming they're good reviews. And out of the 49 reviews, 10 of them come from Chennai. So this is how to count how many times a word appears in Excel. Please read the appended article for more information.